So many people. So ayan, ang haba ng pila. We're here at Riga Metro Station now. And I'm going to Kalayaan in World Trade Center.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing.
It's open now. We are here at Kalayaan with my sister, and we are going to join the community service. Go Philippines! Mabuhay for the Kalayaan! 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 Hello, Philippines! Ang daming hindi ko ngayon. Paparay. Mga tao. Ang dami. DFF family, Happy Independence!
Nag-live ka ba?
Happy Independence! Oh, ano masasabi nyo?
Happy Independence Day!
Lang lang! Smile lang lang! Lang lang! Smile, smile! Smile, smile! Lang lang! I love! Kalayaan Day! Happy Kalayaan Day! Sis, may batang ano? Nakikikalayaan.
Kaya di natakali ho.
Darap representative of TFF. Love Josie! There we are doing our booth for Good Neighbor. Hi, sister. Merna. Hello. Brother Mar, happy Kalayaan. Sister Ropeline. Say hi. Hello.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Philippines. Ready na sila sa Good Neighbors. Ayan. And nandun yung doktor sa kabila. And we are ready to go. Ma'am, ano po ginagawa dito? Ano po ginagawa dito?
Pag ano ka na mag-register,
Register?
pag ano po, magkukuha ng blood pressure.
Blood pressure? For free?
Yes.
Sige po.
Hi, good morning.
Pwede po magpa-blood test?
Yes, po. Kailangan din nagtatawag ng tao. Nag-program na kaya, Daddy?
Ano naman naparusahan dyan? Joke.
Nagbibilang.
Go.
Pasok ka na lang doon.
Sige.
Hanapin mo sila.
Mga Bisaya diha, magingay! Feel the energy, hear the rhythm, and witness the excitement. Ready to fill the venue with powerful music.